In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review of the Monzo business account and whether it's worth switching your business bank to it. Monzo Business offers two tiers, Lite, which is free, and Pro, which is €5 per month. The Lite version gives you a basic business account with instant notifications, categorized spending, and bank level security. But the real value is in the Pro plan. You get invoicing tools, tax boats, and automatically set aside a percentage of income, multi-user access, and integration with QuickBooks or Xero, all directly in the app. There's also 24/7 customer support and real-time transaction tracking. The interface is super clean and the ability to separate business finances from personal spending is seamless. You can create virtual cards, link your account to accounting software, and even apply for loans directly through the app. Now, it's not ideal if you need to deposit cash regularly. There's a €1 fee per PayPoint deposit, and it lacks some advanced features like international wires or bulk payments. But for freelancers, sole traders, and small businesses that want an easy to manage and modern business account, Monzo Business is a strong choice. And that's about it. That's our Monzo Business account review. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.